So you clicked on this video because you want to find out more about permanent and temporary roof anchors for standing seam jobs. Well, just so you know who you're getting your information from, my name is Blenkinsopp. I'm the owner of a company called Digital Roofing Innovations. I'm a licensed general contractor and roofing contractor in over 9 states. And we've done projects from Billy up the street all the way through the United States government. Now, on this particular video, we're gonna be talking about roof anchors. So let's get started. Okay, so we are here in Galax, Virginia at the Blue Ridge Music Center. Now, this project's for the United States National Park Service. And what we're doing is we are replacing the 24 gauge metal roof with a new 24 gauge metal roof. Now it's a little bit different the way we're installing this. We're going from a 90-degree bend to 180-degree bend. We're using McGuire metal systems. But more importantly, what we're going to talk about is these permanent and temporary two-way standing seam roof anchors. And so this particular anchor is through a company called Guardian. Now I bought these from Amazon. I actually got a great deal on them. I wanted to get them shipped directly to the location, so I didn't have to worry about going to my supplier or worrying if they were going to show up on time. So they actually sell these on Amazon, got great reviews. We've used these plenty of times before. I'm going to show you how we actually install these on the roof in just for a moment. But one of the things I want to talk about was the cost. Now there's a bunch of different options when it comes to permanent and temporary roof anchors. Now with standing seam, it works a little bit differently, and the reason I like these so much, obviously you don't have to drill any holes into the standing seam, and then a very heavy metal system like this one, 24 gauge metal, these are actually far superior in my opinion. And again, with some of the other permanent metal roofing anchors, you may have to drill holes into your metal, which you never want to do. Now, one thing that you definitely need to make sure of if you're installing 26 or 29 gauge metal is if you're going to install any type of permanent roof anchors, you want to make sure that your roof anchor is rated for that lighter metal. These are rated for 24 gauge and larger, so these are typically going to see more on commercial applications. Now, since our roof is a 9/12 pitch, and as you can see, the eave is several feet off the ground, my guys will not be coming up anywhere on the roof without the roof anchor. So the way these work, it's simply you're going to put these over the top of your seams on your roof. You're going to clamp them down, which we're going to look at here in just a moment. And then all you're going to do is, as you can see where our lanyards are right now, you're just going to put the lanyards right here after these are tightened down, and your guys are super safe. Now, talk about cost of these for a second. Typically, you're going to pay about $250 on your more high-end type of anchors. I actually got these on sale for $170. Right through, like I said, right through Amazon. But you're typically going to spend anywhere from $200 to $250 each for these. They're very heavy duty, and probably the thing I like the most about these is these can be used temporary and permanent. So you can either leave these on your roofing system or you can remove them when you're done. All right, so let's go ahead and move towards the roof, and I'm going to show you exactly how to install these. Okay, so now I'm going to show you why this is such a great product. I'm going to show you how to install this. So all you have to do is take your bolts and back them out, and then you're going to install this right over your seam. So for instance, on this one, this is an older system, so we'd be taking this one off. So again, you just place it over the top of it. Now you're just going to tighten down. Now, what I highly recommend doing is if you have any type of power drill, is go ahead and put you a socket on here, and then whenever you get up on wherever the roofing system that you want to put it, you're just going to go ahead and tighten down with the power drill, but make sure that you're going back with some type of hand wrenches to make sure that these are really snug. And these are going to have locking nuts on them, so you want to make sure that those are flush. And then once you have this installed, these things do not move, and it provides a great permanent and temporary anchor point for your workers. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to show you is how to take these off. Now again, some of you guys may want to leave these on. Now all of these can be used for permanent roofing anchors, and this is exactly what we're going to be using these on this project for. So while we can move them during the project, we're going to be staggering them. Typically you want to leave them within 30-foot intervals on your roof. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave ours on, but if you want to take them off, all you're going to do is, if you have these require a 3/4 inch, half inch, whatever, you're going to loosen them up, and then either you can slide them all the way down like this once you have them loosened up, or you can loosen it up enough where you can actually just take this right off the top and then store this away and use them later on. Okay guys, now you know what exactly a two-way standing seam roof anchor is, what brand that I typically use, and then how to install and uninstall these. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps out our channel a lot. If you want to see more great videos from us, please hit subscribe. And as always, at Digital Roofing Innovations, we believe in using a modern approach with traditional values. Have a great day.